Apple's new iOS macOS Sonoma Safari now available as web app on Mac. At the just concluded WWDC 2023, Apple introduced a brand new macOS operating system in macOS Sonoma that brings a rich set of features that elevate the experiences of the world's most advanced desktop operating system. Now in iOS 17 and iPadOS 17, Safari View Controller now supports Add to Home Screen. Users of iOS browsers and several in-app browsers can now add web app to their home screens. Here you can now use web apps on your Mac thanks to a new feature. In macOS Sonoma on your Mac, web apps enable you to concentrate on the website you visit frequently in a way that's distinct from the rest of your browsing. Similar to iOS, adding a website to your dock is necessary to create a web app. Many of the functionality you had except from native macOS programs are fully integrated into Mac web applications. The online software functions nicely with Stage Manager Mission Control and keyboard shortcuts like Command plus Tab, just like other Mac apps do. Additionally, macOS Sonoma web applications can be opened from the dock, Launchpad and Spotlight search at the same time. It also works with autofill credentials from iCloud, keychain of third-party applications that employ the Credential Provider Extension API. In contrast to macOS, iOS has a different default behavior. The home screen's additional websites will launch in your default browsers. Users can now rapidly visit commonly used websites from the home screen thanks to this feature. Websites posted to the home screen in standalone view mode and iOS and iPadOS become web apps there. Thanks for subscribe my channel.